I'm going to bend that back out and I'm going to plastic weld. Damage there on the air intake for the clutch. Gonna have to replace that piece. Oh, we got to get it out first. Got clamps there, and then I think it's got a push pin up top, so hopefully it's easy to get out. Looks like it. Yeah, it's a 7 mil on the band there. Push pin right in here. If you watched my very first video, you'll know that I put that push pin in there because it wasn't there to begin with. Oh, half of it out. There we go. There's the hole that got punched in. It's pretty thick. Like it's about 1/8 of an inch thick, so that hit it pretty good. So I got to get that whole new pipe, excluding the top, obviously. Got a tie wrap here, pop off the top. Yeah, too bad. Yeah, that's the rubber top popped off. One thing I'm noticing, if you look in there, there's like a felt in there. I don't know if that comes with it, or if that's to catch some of the dust and debris or whatnot, but have to hang on to that, I guess. All right, so since I don't know when this pipe's going to show up, I'm going to bend that back out and I'm going to plastic weld around there, fix it up just so I can use it. Might have to heat this up a bit to bend it back out. I think I'm going to have to. In there. Got to pop that piece up past the edge there. Don't want to come up. There we go. Doesn't look too bad. And for plastic welding, all we're using is a basically a soldering iron and some polyplastic, I believe it's called. It's blue, but oh well. We'll let this heat up, and then we'll melt away. Try and mix it in a little bit without burning a hole through it. And you might want to wear a respirator for this, because probably not good for your lungs. Just trying to somewhat melt it in to get a good seal so it doesn't leak. Not pretty, but I think it'll do. Let it cool down more. I'll give it a little sand and a little spray paint, and should be good until the new one comes anyways. Alright, ugly as sin, but I think it's patched and painted, and it can be used at least, so that's good. One job done. Got many more to go here. I'll let you in on them as we go along.